sponsored by Nreal. So today in this video, I'm going to be showcasing my updated dream room. You guys been demanding to see this video, and here it is. Now, in case you guys missed it, I transferred my brother's room. Highly encourage you guys to watch that one if you're a fan of the dream setup tour videos. But this time I'm just going to show you guys what's exactly new here. Spoiler alert, nothing isn't exactly new, but it's still some cool things going on. So I still have the same exact TV/entertainment center, same exact desk, which by the way, I am working on a desk setup video. So if you guys want to see that, make sure you guys subscribe with notifications on. It is something that you guys don't want to truly miss. Here's a little sneak peek. We have the 2 Apple Studio display. We have an ultra wide on the PC side. This is not the complete setup just yet. I'm going to be adding even more things, so you guys don't want to miss that video. I'm telling you guys. But on the bed side right behind me, it is completely new. So I took the same exact nanoliths from the desk side and I transferred over to the bed head side so you guys could be able to see the lights in action. Turn on the nanoleaf wood. There we go. So as you guys can see, alongside with the nanoleafs, I have the LifeX bulb right behind the bed and added some floating shelves. It just adds a little bit more depth to the setup in general. I have a Bed Bath & Body Works candle, having that aroma in the room. And then the second shelf, of course, you guys know I'm into those oil diffusers. Have my oil diffuser machine right there on the side. I must say the best setup looks better than ever before. Let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think of it. But I wanted to try out an actual projector. I want to see how it's like having a projector, because picture it like this. Halloween is coming up. You might have a Halloween party or a gathering or a get together. Picture it like this. You have a projector, you set it up outside with a long extension cable or a power station, and you're watching a movie, a cinematic scary movie, or you're playing video games. It just adds another layer of immersion. You're outside, everybody's gathered around having a good time. And a projector just makes a lot of sense. This one here is from BenQ. This is the TK700 series. This is aimed towards gamers. And what really caught me off guard with this one, you have support up to 240 hertz. So 240 hertz refresh rate if you're playing any gaming PC games, but you could hook up a PS5, Xbox Series X, and of course a Switch and have up to 120 frames per second if the game supported, and if you're on PlayStation 5 or on the Xbox Series X or S. This is really aimed towards gamers, but you can still watch a movie and have an amazing experience. So you have true 4K HDR low input lag gaming projector. I'd never seen anything like this and I had to check it out. You have support for eARC, which you can hook up a sound bar, which is going to enable Dolby Atmos, 7.1's channel surround sound. But even though I'll say the speakers on the projector itself sound pretty good,
How is it feeling, right?
Yeah, it did.
Oh, these are perfectly tested.
They are.
Look at that.
Yeah, they actually are.
And we have our very special microwave.
it's not the best that I ever heard in my life, but it sounds pretty loud for what it is. You also have an aux jack on the back. I might not have the best room when it comes down to a projector because we have the closet in the way a little bit. I literally just took down my filming table where I film all my videos, all my top down shots, and I just replaced it with this projector to project it onto the wall. The colors were still fairly accurate despite me having a gray wall. You could see exactly what's going on, although if this room was white or I have a projector screen, the colors will look even better. You have FPS mode, so you can be able to see any darker environments where it's harder to see the enemies in the shadows, so it's going to enhance it, bring up those darker levels so you can see the enemies more efficiently. Let's say you like this projector and all, but you don't have the space for it, and I understand. That's where today's sponsor, Nreal Air, comes in. These are the coolest thing ever. Like, look, as you can see, they look like regular glasses, but they're not regular glasses. These are AR glasses, and essentially take that same projector and just put it on your glasses, and it's more mobile. You have the space for it, and you can see exactly what's going on. Right when you put these glasses on, it's like you have 200 a 200-inch screen right in front of you, giving you more of a cinematic visual experience. You also have built-in speakers. Unfortunately, you will need to use this adapter if you want to use it on your iPhone or even on your Nintendo Switch. It is called the Nreal adapter. So on the iPhone, unfortunately, you don't have that AR space. Maybe it could be coming in the foreseeable future, and AR space is gonna have all your apps laid out and just have a UI while looking at the real world. So you could be looking at something and you could see your apps laid out. You have everything all, it's literally jaw-dropping. But on the iPhone, you only have air casting, which is still pretty dope. Like, you can still watch your YouTube videos, you can still watch your TikToks, you could still play your games on your phone. And man, I was playing Switch, right? I was playing Zelda Breath of the Wild on my Nintendo Switch OLED, and imagine, picture like this, and I already experienced it already. Imagine playing Breath of the Wild, Mario Kart, Smash Brothers right there without using the small Switch screen. This is incredible. If you have a Nintendo Switch, I think this is gonna be a must buy. When you're using air casting mode, you only have up to 130 of screen, but if you're using that AR mode, you get it up to 201 inches right in front of you. But on the Nintendo Switch and on the iPhone, you're only getting 130. Full HD, by the way. This is not 4K or anything like that. And it's still 60 Hertz, and it's an OLED too. So you have OLED right there on the glasses. I'm telling you guys, man, this video is not going to do it any justice. It's not. And even though this video is sponsored, you've seen the reviews for yourself, man. I know you guys seen 101 different videos on this. You're going to have so much fun using this. Imagine you taking these on the plane. This is going to be the ultimate travel solution right here. Like, I'm telling you guys, man, this is it. This is the next generation right here. I really stand by this product. I only take sponsored video when I believe in that product, and the Nreal, they doing it big. It's new technology that I appreciate. Although I did like the massage gun, but this is definitely way better than the massage gun. You're gonna have so much fun with this, trust and believe. And I'm telling you, pick up that Nreal adapter so you can experience on your Apple devices and the Nintendo Switch. But other than that, that is the Nreal. I was gonna do a separate video on this, but I don't know, you guys don't be watching my videos sometimes, man. Like, you guys are very picky, so I figure why not feature it here on the room tour. And it's kind of like you're knocking out two birds one stone. I want to show you guys this projector, show you guys what's new in the room. And even if you don't have room for the projector, get something like this and you have that experience on the go, or you have it everywhere. Like, you can put this on, you put this on your nightstand, put it on whenever you need it, and you're good to go. And that's basically what's going on in my room so far. I figured I'd give you guys a little update, and I throw a link in the description to the Nreal Air AR Glasses, and alongside with that Nreal adapter, you're gonna need that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a simple day. Make sure you guys subscribe with notifications on, and until next time, guys, have a simple day. Peace.